Hello everyone and welcome. So today we have this BMW 3 Series and we've completed all our work on this. So this is come in basically for the painting of the rear door and the running board and partial of the wheel arch which was damaged.
No! God, please, no! No!
So after the painting, we have done a full round of detailing and also it's been protected with the 10H graphene ceramic coating.
Wow!
So as you can see, we have done the exact matching as per the BMW paint code. So the door, the wheel arch and the whole running board has been resprayed. So there is no difference in the gloss and the color compared to the original paint.